Are you looking for a home that's private, peaceful, and built with a little more intention? What if I told you it's got forest views, a primary suite to die for, and custom everything from the kitchen cabinets to the pantry? I'm Marcus with Savalio & Co., and this is 631 Cedar Avenue, right here in Cedar Grove. Cedar Grove is known for its tight-knit community, top-rated schools, and a lifestyle that's slower in just the right way. Why don't we take a look inside and I can show you what makes this house comfortable, convenient, and has thoughtful upgrades that make life just a little bit smoother every single day. Let's talk about the layout. When you first walk in, you're greeted by the living room, which is framed with these nice banisters and has absolutely stunning ceilings. But follow me down this hallway where we're going to find 2 bedrooms and a full bath. Now, there's some pretty unique things about these bedrooms. Not only is there zone heating on this side, but we can climb right on in to a loft area in both this room and the other. Why don't you meet me in the living room? Here in the living room, we have those vaulted ceilings again. It's kind of sunken in, so you go off of the hardwoods onto this nice carpeted area that is anchored by this beautiful stone fireplace where it's gas if you want it to be, but can also be a natural burning fireplace. And that leads right on into the kitchen here. One of the things that I absolutely have to show you is the other side of this fireplace. So when you come into the dining room, one of the things that you're absolutely going to love about this property is the other side of the 2-sided fireplace. You can actually see straight through it. When you're eating in here and the fire is going on those long winter evenings, you're going to feel even more at home in this space. It is open concept to the kitchen, which has granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a hidden dishwasher, and plenty of custom cabinetry. If you think you're going to run out of space in this, you're not. There's actually a walk-in pantry right over here next to the fridge. And this leads us kind of to the back of the house. But before we go back there, this is bedroom number 4. It's designed to be split use, so you can have it as a bedroom or an office space or a reading nook. Whatever you want it to be, this room can be for you. Here's one of the coolest features. There's a drop zone right there off of the 3-car garage. There's stairs that go straight down to the basement around the corner. There's first floor laundry and a half bath right over here. Now, this is the best part of this property. An absolutely enormous primary suite. Now down this hall we've got his and hers walk-in closets, because who wants to share if you don't have to? There's also a granite double vanity in there, a soaker tub, and a walk-in shower. But that's not all this place has to offer. Why don't you meet me in the backyard and I'll show you the rest of the space. If you're anything like me and love to host, you're gonna fall in love with this property. Out front we've got extra paving for all of your gatherings here on the back patio. This place is perfect for those morning cups of coffee or entertaining in the evenings. Now the yard, beautiful views, low maintenance, and plenty of room to run. I'm Marcus with Savalio & Co. Reach out to me, come take a tour, and let's make this home yours.